So in this video, I'm going to be discussing the coefficient of restitution. It is a ratio of the final velocity to initial velocity between two objects. So in other words, the equation for this is E equals the square root of the bounce height divided by how high it drops. And this will equal a unitless number. So in this video, we're going to watch 3 different types of balls being dropped, and you'll see how they all have a different drop height.
Let's see what happens.
So as you can see, they all did not have the same drop height, and that is because the coefficient of restitution. Another good example of this is a lacrosse ball going on turf versus grass. Turf has a higher constitution or coefficient of restitution. And so if you're going and like doing a ground ball on turf, it's going to go a whole lot faster on turf than it is on grass.